Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this green bean avatar in Grow a Garden Very Update Part 2. Okay, if you want to get this cosmetic for free guys, you need to redeem a code, and I'm going to show you the code that you need to redeem to get this green bean avatar. You can go to the setting and then you're going to go to redeem codes menu. Okay, and then you can enter the code. The code is bean or leaf 10. Okay, this is the code bean or leaf 10, and then you can click on claim. And I have already claimed this green bean avatar. And then if you want to replace your avatar with this green bean, you can talk to the green bean, and then you can click on I want to join the cause. Okay, and if you want to place this green bean on your garden, you can go to your cosmetic and it will be in the cosmetic inventory and place it on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this green bean avatar in Grow a Garden Very Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!